to learn. I have a short video for you all. I had ordered some things from Amazon, so I want to open it, and I want to open it with you all for exactly what I had ordered. Ooh, hope I'm not cutting anything. Okay. If you were a penguin. So next month in February, we'll be studying animals that hibernate and also Arctic animals. And so I wanted to go ahead, and I have a few books, but I wanted to go ahead and order some more books. And this is for my dog. Okay, let's open this box here. As you know, books are very good for language, vocabulary, different things like that. And I have a variety of books for all ages in my family child care home. Okay, give me a minute here. Let me see what I got in here. Okay. Here's another book that I ordered, Arctic Animals. As mentioned before, I'm going to be showing a video also on what I did as far as the Arctic animals are concerned. I love these cardboard books because they're heavy. I don't like that because, yeah, I paid for it new, but it looks bent right here. But that's okay. They're heavy. The children can move the pages around gently. So I like the cardboard books. Okay, so I have from Learning Resources a sort and seek polar animal. So if I'm doing this so-called theme on Arctic animals, I do add other things that the children can do. And this is good. Look like it says counting, because it has the numbers, and for fine motor skills. So this will be good to put in math and manipulative area. Last but not least, let's see what's in here. Okay. If you want to put in your comments the themes or what are you doing for the month of January, go ahead and let me know or share with me things that you're doing. I would love to know what your theme is for January. So these are the Arctic animals. There's the white wolf, let me see, the polar bear. There's different ones, the owl. Oh my goodness, look at there. So this is what came, and the rabbit. I'm not sure what kind of rabbit it is, but whatever these animals are, because some of them I don't know the names of it, like I don't know what that is. But these are animals that live in the Arctic. I guess maybe that's the caribou. They live in the Arctic. And so what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to do a display for the children. And I'm really excited about that. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video. And I would, like I said, I would definitely like to know, what is it that you all do in the month of January, February? You guys be safe out there. And this is Ready to Learn.